Welcome everyone to the Quick Tech tutorial. Today for this video of Quick Tech, I will be showing you how you can create your AliExpress account. So for that, open a Google browser on your PC and then click open a new tab. There on the search bar, you type in aliexpress.com and press enter. This will direct you to the official web page of AliExpress. Once you're at the official web page, what you need to do is move your mouse cursor to the right side over here and then click on register. Now to register, you will need to provide your email address, and before that you will need to choose your country. Click on the drop down menu over here, and from here you choose your country region, and then below you type in the email address. And then below type in the password. There's the mail from AliExpress. Click open that. Now you need to type in this code. Type in the code over here and click on verify email. This will verify your account and you will have your AliExpress account. So this is how you can create a AliExpress account. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Quick Tech tutorial. Thank you.